Hi students, I am Sudhir Bothra and today we have planned to understand the chapter number systems. तो नंबर सिस्टम को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए लेट मी फर्स्ट स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. We will start with number line. What is a number line? Number line is a line that represents every other number. Every number is represented on this line. The number line starts with 0 and as we go towards positive side we reach toward the positive numbers and at last we reach the positive infinity. +1, +2 or +3. I am only representing integers at this point. You could also get the decimals are in these areas. The decimal of 0.01 to up to 0.9999 are in this area. Similarly, in this, you will also represent any number. Decimals, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers are present in this number line. So, as we go towards the positive side or towards the left, towards the right, I would say, sorry. That is, we reach positive numbers and at last positive infinity. Symmetrical is this side. You go towards the negative, towards the left of the 0, you will reach minus infinity. And every numbers I am representing integers -2, -3, -4. You reach the negative infinity. So, what do we understand? I will take the definitions of all the numbers. Definition, I would say, I will make you understand the numbers. What are different numbers called? Supposedly, the number which we can count, like +1, +2, used for counting, these particular numbers are called natural numbers. 0, +1, +2, -2, -3, -4. This all numbers, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are not having decimal value and are therefore called integers. 1, 2, 3, 4 are called positive integers, negative integers. Also, these are called non-negative integers. People write it different way. It is asking questions. Non-negative integers. You also can include 0 into it. Non-negative integers. So you see, there will be different way that a questioner can put your question. He can play with words, positive integers, non-negative integers, negative integers. Now what is a decimal number? Decimal numbers are ones which have a decimal value into it. Numbers having decimal values. (0.135) examples. 1.297654. These are called decimal values or decimal numbers. Further, we categorize these as into 3. One decimals are what, like 135. It stops. इसके आगे हमको जाना नहीं है. Number stops here. These are, or example, 1.576 or 1.7989. You said 0, 1, 3, but it stops at, I will write again, 1.789054. It stops. Though there are 5 points, 5 decimal number after the 0, but it stops. So these are called terminating decimal number. What is another? 135353535. It goes on. These are non-terminating repetitive decimals. What is non-terminating? Non-terminating means it will ये रुकेगा नहीं, ये ऐसे 35, 35, 35, 35, 35 repetitive. After this 35 it is repeating itself 35, 35, 35. Therefore it is non-terminating repetitive decimal numbers. Another is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again you take another way, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. But this goes on and goes on. These are also called non-terminating. Non-repetitive decimals. Also a number which can be represented, now we will study another, that is rational irrational numbers. What is a rational number? Something that can be represented of the form p by q and q is not equal to 0. Something that can be represented in the form p by q where q is not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. This too can be, as you have studied in your earlier classes, a repetitive number can be represented in the form p by q, or any rational numbers are also integers in decimals. You see terminating decimals and non-terminating repetitive decimals can be represented in the form of p by q, and they are rational numbers. But numbers such like this, which are non-terminating and non-repetitive, are called irrational numbers. Every square root, cube root numbers are irrational numbers. You have understood root 2, root 3, cube root 2. These are all cube root 2, all irrational numbers. So we are clear with this thing here. Let us deep dive into some other topics. I'm clearing this. Please make notes simultaneously so that you understand and grasp the thing as I have written and nothing is missed here. For any queries, please write in the comments boxes so that I can clear your doubts. Let me check what are the different numbers. So natural number, the numbers that can be counted are natural numbers. Now natural numbers has three different types. One, that is we call unity, prime numbers, and then is composite numbers. Now what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, and what is unity? These are all natural numbers, okay? Positive integers and natural numbers are same. Now prime numbers are numbers which is having a factor 1 and the number itself. Means 2, 3, 5, 7. The list goes on. Now what you see, 2 comes in the multiple of 1 and then a multiple of 2 itself. There are no other factors of 2. So 2 is the least prime number in the series of prime number. 2 is a multiple of 1 and 2. 3 is a multiple of 1 and 3. 5 multiple of 1 and 5. 7 multiple of 1 and 7. So prime numbers are numbers which are having factors 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself, that is 2. To understand prime number better, let us take an example of what are composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers that have factors more than 2. Minimum 2 तो factor हो ही गए इधर. Now what are components? Let's take 4. We take example 6, 8, 10. Every other number that are not part of prime number is a composite numbers. Example 4. Now 4 comes in the multiple of 1. It comes in the multiple of 2. It comes into multiple of 3. So it has 3 numbers. It comes into 3 multiples. 6 you take, it comes in multiple of 2, multiple of 3, multiple of 6, 4 multiples it comes in. So a composite numbers are numbers which have a multiple more than 2. It includes 1, the number itself, and other factors are also there. So these are composite numbers. For JEE is better you remember numbers within 1 to 100. Memorize numbers from 1 to 100. Memorizing will help you increase your speed and understand. You don't need to calculate every time कि कितना कौन सा number prime है. There are very less numbers. I think 20 numbers are there which from 1 to 100 which are prime numbers. Also in my later topic we will understand how we'll calculate, how do we know that the number is prime or not. There are few shortcut tricks which we will understand as we go ahead. So you make the note that what is a natural number. Natural numbers are something that can be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers are divided into 3 factors, that is unity, prime numbers and composite number. Unity because 1 is neither prime neither prime nor composite. If you have understood, I am just clearing this off. You have understood natural number. Now, what is an integer? Numbers which do not have decimal values. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this are integers. Decimal numbers. I'm just taking this definition one by one so that you can make note. Have made you understand previously what are decimals also. Numbers having decimal value are decimal numbers. So to understand, I was reading through this, the notes, that what are decimals and how also it can be represented. We see, before that I want to, I have forgotten whole numbers. The number 0 and natural numbers are called whole numbers. मतलब natural numbers plus 0 are called whole numbers. So because both integers and decimal are including 0, so I forgot to take note of that. What are whole numbers? The number 0 and the other natural numbers. Combining the natural numbers plus 0 is a whole number, are called whole numbers. Now decimal numbers. Now decimal numbers are 1, 3, 5. What we see, the number towards the left of the decimal point can be a whole number or an integer. ठीक है, this is definitely a whole number and this is an integer, and number towards the right are the decimal. So 3 is what? The 10th place. So can be also written as 1 plus 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100th place is called, 5 is at the 100th place. 100th place. 3 is at the 10th place. So 1 plus 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 is how we represent 1.35. Similarly, you take 5, 6, 7. You represent it as 1 plus 5 by 10th place, 6 by 100th place, plus 7 by 1000th place. So have you understood all this? Seeing what else have missed, everything, or everything is covered or not. So here we will make one table that summarizes the numbers. So write it as real numbers. Make this table, memorize it, and you will never face a problem understanding कि natural number n क्या लिख दिया ये क्वेश्चन में, n मतलब natural number होता है, अब natural number क्या है. You will never face an issue like this if you understand this topic. Your further understanding of other concepts will be very clear. So first write decimals here. और यहाँ लिख दो integers. Decimal, as I have taught you, are of 3 types. I'll categorize further before that into 2. That is finite decimals and infinite. Infinite is number never ending. Finite is an ending. That ends is called finite. That never ends is called infinite decimals. What are these? Terminating decimals. 1.35, 1.57. Now infinite decimals are of 2 types. Non-terminating repetitive. 1.35. We provided by bar. What does bar mean? It can be written as 1.35, 35, 35, 35, like this. When something can be written as in the form 3 by 3 by 35, you represent it by bar. So this particular number is repeating, like 5, 6, 7. It means 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 is repeating. So this all numbers can be represented in the form P by Q and are therefore rational numbers also. Now here it is non-terminating, non-repetitive. So it is called root 2, root 3, pi. All these values are non-repetitive, non-terminating, and these are called irrational numbers also. In integers, we divide it into three forms: 0, negative, positive. When you combine this, you called non-positive integers, and when you take this two, you call it non-negative integers. Also, positive numbers are called natural numbers. The natural numbers of three types: unity, prime, composite. A straight table and easily understood if you know the definition. If you have known the definition, you know all this. Most of the case it is represented by the number r, integers represented by number I, natural numbers are represented by n, rational numbers are represented by r. Non-negative is also called whole numbers. So the same thing but different terminology. A questioner can put you in doldrums if you don't know what are whole numbers. Everything you know, but if you don't know what is a whole number, you could not solve the question. So it is clear, please not make this thing. So this is the basics of number systems which we have understood. Also I want to teach one more topic, that is important. The next number system doesn't stop here. In further classes I will teach you how to calculate HCF, how to calculate LCM, what are divisal, what are co-primes. Everything will come up in next chapter. But one topic which I want to make you understand is on the number line, you can also represent multiples. A multiple of 7, suppose you want to represent multiple of 7. You take this number line 0, 7, 14, 21. You represent it by 7n. As you put n is equal to 0, n equal to 1, you reach 7. So you can represent here. Also, you can represent 7n plus 1. What is 7n plus 1? Multiple of 7 plus 1 step forward, that is 1. So as you put n equal to 0, you will reach 1. As you put n equal to 2, you will reach, as you put n equal to 1, you will reach 8. As you put n equal to 2, you will reach 15. This can also be written as the same number, 7n minus 1, where n belongs to close it integers. You write here integers, n where this is small n belongs to integers. Now 7n minus 1, 7n minus 6 also can be represented. Which is 7. Suppose 7 is having a remainder as 1. Also mind that it is also having a remainder as minus 6. So 7n plus 1 and 7n minus 6 are the same. But suppose you see that n here is starting from, you write as 2 or 1, you will reach 1. So here when you write as 0, you reach 1. Here when you write as 1, you reach 1. So you are taking minus 6 steps backwards. You will to reach 1 on the number line. So when you put n equal to 1, you reach 1. So this both can be 1 can be represented as 7n plus 1 oblique 7n minus 6. Every other number can be represented in the same way. Only the difference is when you put a natural number as n equal to 0, you take one step forward, and also when you take the put natural number greater than what we have taken for 7n plus 1, you have to take 6 steps backward to reach on that the number on the number line. So I close this topic today. In the next video, I will take a further chapter of the number system. Till then, revise all these topics, understand them. If you have any queries on that, please write it on the comment box. Thank you.